Do you have an outstanding service or product, but for some unidentified reason, your sales have plateaued or worse still are declining? Has a new competitor disrupted your sector, challenged the status quo, and taken a growing chunk of your market share? One of the top reasons businesses and brands fail is because they neglect to do their due diligence or monitor and track changing market dynamics, trends, and customer preferences so they can maintain relevance and consistently grow profits. The last 20 plus years is littered with examples and case studies of businesses and brands that have failed over time, even though they invested in a good logo, website, and brochures. You see, a strong powerhouse brand needs ongoing development and management because building a brand is a bit like getting yourself in peak condition. You've worked hard, achieved your fitness objectives, you're looking and feeling great. Friends and colleagues notice and comment, and then suddenly you stop. Things become neglected, and the essential daily, weekly rituals that keep you on top of your game are simply not done. Everything you've achieved then plateaus a bit before starting to become sluggish and hit a downward, steady decline. We all know from experience it takes a lot more hard work to get back into that optimum place again when you let things go. So to help you identify what state of health your brand is in, we're delving into the 7 early warning signs that brands typically exist when things aren't all they should be. Early warning signs of problems such as failed sales targets or shrinking margins, or a lack of a clear brand strategy or an outdated one that provides little to no direction for key business decisions. Perhaps a failed product or service launch because the brand doesn't have the expandability in its current form to be successful, or because of a total mismatch in its positioning. No well-defined insights for your ideal target audience, so your results are inconsistent at best, but more often than not missing their target completely. Market trends have changed significantly, but your brand's neglected to pivot or maintain relevance. Weak customer engagement. A more crowded marketplace that's perhaps making you vulnerable on multiple fronts because you lack a strong enough standout or that critical factor, higher perceived added value. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. I have over 20 years award-winning branding expertise working nationally and internationally with many household names. And I'd love to share some of that professional big brand know-how with you now so you can unlock the systems and processes used to increase your sales and maintain a vital, healthy brand. You see, the truth is, there's a lot more to branding than logos, websites, and brochures, because branding is not marketing or design. In fact, branding, marketing, and design are 3 separate disciplines, all equally important, but very different in their function and deliverables. Branding strategy is the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business, so monitoring your brand's well-being is critical to your profitability. Managing your brand state of health is as important as monitoring your team's performance, coupled with tracking orders, sales, cash flow, debtors, and creditors. Here, we're sharing the top 7 vital signs to help you assess whether your brand is in less than perfect health and how to remedy potential problems fast before they become terminal. Do you want to discover how to identify what state of health your business and brand is in so you can be thriving and unstoppable with 7 or 8 figure growth? Click the link to discover more.